Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this delicious, quick and easy way to make a shrimp ceviche salsa. It's perfect for the weather we're getting ready to have. Springtime's coming. It's great out by the pool. It's a great appetizer to take to a friend's house. Let's get started. 1 pound of large shrimp, peeled, deveined, and chopped, cilantro, garlic, Roma tomatoes, white onion, avocado, fresh lime juice, jalapeno, ketchup, hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and salt and pepper. To begin, I will add our shrimp into a large bowl. Then I will add in 1/3 cup of fresh lime juice. You will stir to coat, then let rest for about 5 minutes or until shrimp becomes cloudy. Mix in 3 diced Roma tomatoes. All right, and now we'll be adding a 1/2 of a diced white onion. Okay, now I will be adding 2 to 3 minced garlic cloves because I love garlic. Then to keep things spicy, add in 1/2 of a minced jalapeno. Next, I will be adding in 1/4 of a cup of chopped cilantro. Go ahead and mix everything together, and then let's move on to our final ingredients. Now grab your favorite hot sauce and add anywhere from a 1/2 or 1 teaspoon. Next, add in 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and then a 1/2 of a tablespoon of ketchup. Now go ahead and mix everything together. Now for some flavor, you can go ahead and sprinkle in some salt and pepper. And last, I will be adding in 1 diced avocado. I love it. Yay! All right. So, yay, this looks so good. It smells delicious. So now there's one thing left to do. It's time for me to taste it. I mean, it's a tough job, but somebody's got to do it. All right. You can grab a chip, goes great, because that's how it's going to be a salsa, or you can just eat it with a spoon, however you choose. I'm going to go dive right in. Yum! So good. I really hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And then also you can check out all my social media, The Jen and Gina Show. Make sure to stay tuned for my next video, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this recipe and you want to keep cooking, go ahead and click the button right here with Jen. If you want to start drinking, go see my girl Gina and click the button here. If you haven't yet already subscribed, that's okay. Just click the button right here. See you guys soon.